Simple backyard, tons of options. Prior to getting going with the design phase, the client had already had installed an above ground pool with a raised deck that was flush with that pool, and they actually had a small landscape job done before as well. Nothing special but a square paver patio, a wall, and a square fire pit. The purpose of the design was to blend these two areas together, not necessarily get rid of this space, but make most of this space. Let's go through the options. Every design we gave them included what they already had, but built upon what they didn't have. So like I said, we didn't remove this area, but rather incorporated it into the rest of the design, provided a better connection from the patio to the deck. And my personal favorite is removing these steps in exchange for a large landing where you can step down from, with a kitchen space that is counter height right here, but you step down a couple times and now it's bar height over here. The next design was a similar theme, but just a different layout. Left in the fire pit space as is, still had that large landing and a kitchen, but rather than stepping down 2 times, we have 2 different landing levels. If you notice, we've completely eliminated the need for a step up into the deck area and really can join the deck with the patio. When you walk out your back door, you can step to the left and start grilling, or step to the right and step down. This final one is no doubt going to be my favorite. Again, left that fire pit area alone, made sense of the step up to the threshold of the door, but there's 3 key differences when you compare this design with the others. Number 1, we made the landing / cooking space much more expansive here. Pushing this kitchen area out does a couple of things for us. It provides more space for stainless steel appliances or storage drawers, as well as gives us more bar seating all the way around this thing. The next alteration was to completely remove the gate that separated this deck from the patio. This creates a really cool open floor concept all the way through. And remember how we had a step down from this deck to our patio before? Because we raised this whole patio area up to meet the deck grade, to get to the backyard, we now have to step down from it. I am quite in love with how this thing turned out. What do you think?